Hello cozy artists, my nickname is Ray Claire. This is Tuna, and this is Apricot. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about how I manufactured my keychains. And these are the first things that I've gotten manufactured. I've done comic zines by myself. And there were many ideas that I have to manufacture, but for right now, I decided to go with the keychains first. I did a lot of research into different companies that I could work with to get my products manufactured. And the company I decided to go with was YourStuffMade, as you can see. So I sent them a bunch of different ideas that I had come up with, and I got free quotes for each of the products. For now, I just went with the keychains, and in the future, I definitely want to work with this company again and manufacture my other products. So I had sent them these designs, and then they got back to me with this design on how the keychains would look like. By the way, this video is totally not sponsored. I researched this company out all on my own, and I am happy with the products. And I was super impressed that they arrived very quickly after they were manufactured. It only took like maybe a couple of weeks. It was less than a month for them to arrive. And I was pleasantly surprised and impressed with the quality. I had ordered only 30 of each design because I didn't think that I could sell 100 keychains. They are cheaper when you get them in bulk, but I thought that it would be fine just ordering 30 for now. And I thought that they were gonna be like a softer silicone, but they were actually really good quality. And I was surprised that my logo wasn't just a cheap sticker, but it was actually printed on to the keychain. And these are the tuna keychains. So earlier were the apricot keychains, and these are tuna. And these were just as impressive. I thought that the silver would look better with the tuna design, and then with apricot I thought that the rose gold would suit her better. But yes, definitely a 10 out of 10 experience with this company. Whenever I had concerns, I would email them back and they would get right back to me right away. So definitely recommend YourStuffMade. And here they both are together. I think maybe next time I'll make the logo bigger, but I was so happy with the end product that I received. And I was so excited that I didn't notice until the end that they gave 2 extra keychains of each design, which I was really happy about. It was a very nice bonus, and I got a set, and I gave a set to my husband and some to a close friend and to my dad. And I have a few other sets that I'm keeping for close family and friends, and then of course the rest I am selling. And as you can see, I have a lot of keychains on my keyring. when I was a teenager, I was really bad about this. I would just constantly collect so many keychains, but I've been trying to be better about it now that I'm an adult. And here is some footage that I got for promoting the keychains. So you can see around the outline of Apricot it was a rose gold, and then her keychain was a gold color, and then for Tuna he's all in silver outlining. I'm not sure if I'll change that in the future with Apricot's design to make it all rose gold, but for now I'm really happy with the results. And so these are available on my website, and they're also available at Sonic Bark's vending machine, which you'll see me packing some orders in a few minutes. So here I'm just packing some keychains for the Sonic Bark vending machine in Chilliwack, BC. I decided to pack each keychain with one of my comic zines and a little business card, and also a thank you letter, just so that people know who the characters are based off of. And so they sort of have like a story to go with the keychain. And I just got some simple cellophane wrap, or yeah, just a simple plastic wrap that has a cute design. I had run out of my previous cellophane wrap, so I went with this design that was available, and it was simple. It was just from the dollar store, but it still looked really nice. And yeah, you just see me taping up everything. The back of the packaging was a little bit bulky, but the front looked nice. So I'm hoping that these will successfully sell, and I've been selling my comic zines at Sonic Bark for some time now, and I've been really pleased that they've been selling well over there. My business is still very small, very minuscule compared to other small businesses, but I'm still trying, and I'm still putting myself out there, letting people know that my small business exists, and having people more aware of my brand, Rayclaire Deloon. And here are all of the packaged keychains and zines that I will be bringing. I packaged 20 each, and since it's in the vending machine, it takes time for it to dwindle down, but I'm happy that I get to have my products somewhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish you guys all the best in your small business endeavors. Take care.